Hello there. Welcome to a day that's all about flavor, fun, and a little bit of kitchen magic. Today's the perfect day for a bit of kitchen inventing, a homemade BBQ sauce adventure that's sure to spark your creativity and delight your senses. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, there's something special about making your own sauce from scratch. Nothing brings people together quite like the mouthwatering aroma of a barbecue, and a sauce that's truly the star of the show. Imagine the laughter, the chatter, and the anticipation as everyone gathers around, waiting to taste your latest creation. The best part? You get to control every flavor, every spice, and every little twist that makes your sauce unique. You might think making your own sauce is tricky, but it's easier than you'd imagine. With just a handful of ingredients and a dash of enthusiasm, you'll be amazed at what you can whip up. It's all about mixing a few simple ingredients, like ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, and your favorite spices, and creating something that's truly yours. You can make it sweet, smoky, tangy, or spicy, depending on what you love most. Don't be afraid to experiment. Taste as you go and adjust until it's just right. That's the beauty of homemade. There's real joy in seeing friends and family enjoy what you've made from scratch. Their smiles and compliments are the best reward. So put on your apron. Let's whip up a BBQ sauce that'll have everyone grinning and asking for seconds. It's quick, simple, and far more fun than just opening a bottle. Plus, you get to say, "I made this myself." This is about making memories, not just food. Every stir, every taste, and every shared bite becomes part of your story. Ready for the adventure? Let's get cracking and make this a grand day out for your taste buds. Let's talk about those supermarket sauces. Lined up, promising flavor, but often falling flat. Ever read the label? It's a jumble of strange words and numbers. These sauces are made for everyone, so they end up a bit boring, too sweet, or just off. There's no adventure, no personal touch, just pour and go. And the sugar. Some bottles are so sweet, you might as well use treacle. When you make your own, you control the sweetness and the flavor. It's your barbecue, your rules. Homemade sauce is like a tailored suit, fits perfectly, no hidden surprises, it's fresher, tastier, and made with care. That's something you'll never get from a plastic bottle. To invent a brilliant BBQ sauce, you need the right parts. Think of it like building a contraption. Each ingredient is a crucial cog in the machine. The right trousers for the job, so to speak, are the perfect blend of flavors that work together in harmony. Start with a cup of tomato ketchup, our tangy red base. It's the foundation, bringing a sweet and slightly sharp note that sets the stage for everything else. Without it, the sauce just wouldn't have that classic BBQ character. Add a quarter cup of brown sugar for rich sweetness. This isn't just about making things sugary, it's about balancing the acidity of the ketchup and giving the sauce a deep caramel undertone that lingers on your taste buds. A spoonful of molasses or black treacle gives depth and that classic BBQ soul. It's the secret ingredient that adds a hint of mystery and a touch of nostalgia, making your sauce taste like it's been perfected over generations. For smokiness, a teaspoon of liquid smoke and a sprinkle of smoked paprika do wonders. These bring the essence of a slow-cooked barbecue right into your kitchen, even if you're just using a saucepan on the hob. Add a splash of Worcestershire sauce for a savory kick. It's the umami powerhouse, giving your sauce a complex, mouth-watering depth that keeps you coming back for more. Garlic powder and onion powder round out the flavor. No fuss, just big taste. These two are the unsung heroes, adding warmth and a gentle bite that ties everything together. These simple ingredients are your trusty tools. Like a well-stocked toolbox, each one has a job to do, and together, they create something far greater than the sum of their parts. Mix and match to build the best BBQ sauce you've ever tasted. Don't be afraid to experiment. Maybe a dash of hot sauce or a pinch of mustard powder for extra zing. The beauty of homemade sauce is making it your own. It's all about bold flavor, made easy. With just a few steps, you'll have a sauce that's rich, smoky, and utterly irresistible. Perfect for slathering on ribs, burgers, or even roasted veggies. Gather your bits and bobs. Let's get inventing. Your masterpiece starts here, and who knows? You might just create the next legendary BBQ sauce that everyone wants the recipe for. Got your ingredients? Brilliant! Let's bring this sauce to life in just 5 minutes. Grab a bowl and a whisk. No fancy gadgets needed. Pour in your ketchup, then add brown sugar and molasses. Next, liquid smoke, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add Worcestershire sauce for that extra zing. Whisk it all together until smooth and glossy. Make sure the sugar dissolves and the spices blend in. Taste and adjust if needed. And there you have it, your own sweet and smoky BBQ sauce, ready in a flash. Give it a try. Cracking, isn't it? Now you're the master inventor. Time to tinker and get creative in your kitchen. Like it spicy? Add cayenne or a dash of hot sauce to turn up the heat. Prefer it sweeter? Stir in honey, maple syrup, or a spoonful of jam for a touch of sweetness. Want more tang? A splash of apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of lemon does the trick every time. Try a bit of mustard for extra zing and a bold kick. Make small adjustments and taste as you go, perfecting your creation. The key is experimenting until it's just right for you and your taste buds. Your sauce, your rules. Let it play your favorite tune and enjoy every drop. Your sauce is ready. Now what? The possibilities are endless. Brush it on chicken, ribs, or pork chops for a sticky caramelized glaze. Use it as a marinade. Let meat soak up the flavor before cooking. It's perfect as a dipping sauce for chips, nuggets, or sausage rolls. Add a dollop to burgers or bacon sandwiches for extra punch. Stir it into baked beans or mix with mayo for a smoky salad dressing. Try it as a pizza base for a twist. Make a big batch. It keeps in the fridge for weeks. Your homemade sauce is a kitchen all-rounder. Let your culinary adventures begin. What a journey we've had together. From the very first moment you thought about making your own BBQ sauce, to now, you've come a long way. It's been a proper adventure, full of little discoveries and big flavors. We've all been there, staring at those shop-bought bottles, hoping for something special, only to be let down by bland, sugary sauce. But now, you know the secret. Your own legendary sauce is just a few steps away, and it's miles better than anything you'll find on a shelf. You don't need fancy skills or a chef's hat, just a bit of enthusiasm, a willingness to try, and a dash of curiosity. Anyone can do it, no matter your experience in the kitchen. Making BBQ sauce is fun, quick, and incredibly rewarding. There's something special about stirring up your own creation, tasting as you go, and seeing it come together in just minutes. Next time you're tempted by a bottle at the shop, remember how easy it is to whip up your own. You'll save money, avoid all those odd ingredients, and get a sauce that's truly yours. Each batch can be a little different. Maybe you want more smoke, less sweet, or a touch of extra spice. That's the beauty of homemade. You're the boss, and you can tweak it to suit your taste every single time. Before you know it, you'll have a secret recipe everyone raves about. Friends and family will be asking for your sauce at every barbecue, and you'll be the one with the magic touch. And it all starts with that first stir, the moment you decide to give it a go and see what you can create. So have a go. 5 minutes, a few simple ingredients, and you'll have a cracking result that'll make you proud. It's easier than you think, and the payoff is delicious. Now, if you'll excuse me, all this talk of sauce has made me absolutely peckish. I can't wait to tuck in and enjoy the fruits of our labor. Time for a bit of cheese, grommet, and maybe, just maybe, a little drizzle of that homemade sauce on the side. Cheers.